Okay, so today I'm going to take you through a tutorial on how to set up a screening on the snark.art website. The first thing that I'm going to note is that you will need to have an account and own an Atom in order to set up a screening. And you'll also need to have some money in your wallet for the gas fee. So if you don't have one of those things yet, I would pause this video and set that up first. But assuming that you already have an account and are an Atom owner, I'm going to get started with the tutorial. So you're going to navigate to the snark.art website, and you'll see at the top right of the home page that there is an option to log in. So we're going to click that, and it will bring us to a pop-up linking you to your MetaMask account. This is something you should already have if you're an Atom owner. If you don't have one, then you probably don't have an Atom, and you'll need to go purchase or bid on one before you can set up a screening. We have another tutorial on that can take you through that process. But in any case, I'm going to click sign here, and it will take you straight to your profile. So you can see here that I already own one Atom, and that means I'm good to go. So I'm going to click screenings at the top of the screen here. And in the middle of the screening page, you'll see the request a screening button right in the middle. So we're going to click on that, and it will pull up a calendar with available dates that you can select for your screening. There is only up to July 31st available to sign up right now, but that will extend in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and choose July 25th. Click the request July 25th button. And screenings are scheduled for 24 hours, so there can only be one screening per day. And here we have the option to either choose a private online event or a public in-person event. Now, the difference between these really lies in whether you want your event's location and details to be posted on the Snark website for others to see and attend. If you are scheduling a viewing just for yourself at home or just want to invite a few friends over, you should select private. I'm going to go ahead and choose a public event as I want it to be publicized on the website. So you just toggle it over to that side. And here I'm just going to type in the details of my event. So I'm going to put in New Lab Brooklyn for the address, Eventbrite for the event website, and then any other details of timing that you want to include. And you also have the option to select invitation only or not, depending on what you prefer. And then I'm going to click send. You can always go back and edit that information later, and it's going to pull up a page asking you to pay the gas fee. I'm going to click confirm to pay the small fee. And then we wait for the transaction to go through. It should just take a couple of moments. And it went through. And now we click OK, and we should be automatically taken to the All Screenings page. And we can see now that our event is listed with the information we provided. So if we click on the little wheel next to the date, this is where you can make edits to the details of the event. So you can always change the time or change it to a private event if something changes at a later stage. And this is also where you would go to cancel the screening if you need to do so. And then back in the All Screenings page, if you click on the Watch Screening, it will take you to the screening page. And for now, it will just have a countdown to the day of the screening. But once the day arrives, this is where you'll be able to watch the video. And that's all for this tutorial. Thanks.